Yes, you may. Go to the first window to pay. Okay. Hello. Hello. You ordered some Raisin Bran and a side of oranges? Yeah. Okay. Credit card only. Here you go. Thank you. Go to the second window. Okay. Hello. Did you order some Raisin Bran and a side of oranges? Yeah. Okay. Here's that and here's that. Have a good time. Bye.
My friend went and got 150 baby chicks. Now these are meat birds and they are called Freedom Rangers, I think. So 150 baby chicks fit in here. They went and picked them up and brought them home. So the setup they have here I think is super cool. First of all, look at these babies. They're super cute. Okay, so they have 3 of these. 150 divided by 3. They split them up. These things open. And you have baby chicks. They're so cute. So the super cool thing about this, they're outside as you can see. But that box, see how they can go in and out of there? That has a heat lamp in there. And in there is also a thermometer that tells them they can read the temperature inside. And then as they get older, they'll lift that box up so that, you know, they can fit under there and stuff. But they're outside, they get the sunshine, they can move these around, they get fresh grass. But they can also, you know, when it gets cool or cold, they can go in there. But we live in a warm climate. We're like in a zone 9 area. But check this out. I just think this is the coolest thing ever. And now I want to make one of my own. Like I said, these are meat birds. Meat birds need a smaller space than regular hens. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest. I think these are called Freedom Rangers. There's a lot of different kind of meat birds you can get. These ones that they got don't get that big so fast. And they are better at grazing. So they had their reasons for getting these kinds, which I thought were pretty good reasons. I'd probably want to get these kinds if I ever did, but we haven't decided if we want to do meat birds yet. Because we got a lot going on. And that's a rooster in the background. Here's one of the wild roosters. I guess they're like neighborhood roosters. He's a pretty one. Here's some hens. They just go all over the place, but they like her yard because there's lots of yummy stuff. She also has some sheep. And one of my favorites, the ducks. These guys are so cute and they always hang out together. And sometimes they're naughty and they go across the street to a puddle, which is quite a large puddle, and they love it. But they're so cute. Look at them. New line. What are you doing, babers? Is that enough? I think that's enough. What do you do with them?
Eat them.
Let me see. What do you do?
I'm gonna eat them.
Show me. Are they sour?
No.
Says the girl who'll eat a lemon. Alright, since I showed you guys some baby chicks, I thought I'd give you a tour of our little chicken coop. Alright, come on, let's show them the chickens. Shall we give them some scratch?
Last time it was all closed and now
now it's open. Okay, so let's focus. Focus. Beautiful.
That one used to be closed and now it's open.
What graft is this? Okay, so this has the green graft. So it is, let's see here. Wait, that's green, right? Lime. That is a Fantasia nectarine. So that is the bloom for the nectarine. Awesome. This is where the cats chill at night so that they
This big mess right here.
Here's Mr. Ruru, my handsome boy. I have to say, I love this rooster because he's so gentle with the hens. Like, yeah, he mates with them and stuff. Sophia, stop. Can you go close that gate? Babers, come on inside. He mates with the hens, but he's not crazy. He doesn't like pull their feathers off and stuff, and he's super gentle with them, and he's not like a big meanie. He's chill. Okay, do we have a hen in there?
Yeah.
All right, well, we want to collect eggs, so first of all, I gotta show you, I'm super proud of this chicken coop. I made it myself. Out of a fence that somebody gave us that we used and we didn't have any use in it for anymore. So I took each fence panel apart, sanded it, put it together, and so this chicken coop, I mean, basically all, and I had that window. All it costed me was my time and money for the screws. This is what the inside looks like. So they got 2 roosting bars in their nesting boxes. Okay, we're just pouring chicken scratch out. Okay, I think that's enough, Babers. All right, let's spread it out. Let's spread it out. All right. Whoa, calm it down here. Calm it down. All right, so let's see what we collected. Sophia collected this. So here's our nesting boxes from this side. We usually collect these in the evening, so they're all done laying, but...
Come on.
Yeah, you want to hold it? Careful, don't drop it. All right, can you show us the eggs? Oh, wow. How many did we get today?
2.
2? Let's count together. Can you put it down on the ground? Let's count. Can you count with Sissy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, wow. 1, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9. How many chickens do we have?
We have 14.
We have 13 hens and 1 rooster. And why do we have so many chickens? Because I love chickens. I love them. And you know, I just like to have eggs. And I don't want to have... Okay, don't open it again. Okay, Mima's gonna go lay an egg. She'll give us a pretty green egg. Hello. Hi, Ellie and David. What about Pop Pop? All right, did we put everything back? Every time I fill this thing up, they'll like take all the chicken food out, but they'll eat it. They'll scratch it. All right, that's the chicken coop. The hen house.
Let's see if we can go over the pond. dump it out.
Don't go across the bridge, babe, Sophia.
What?
Don't go across the bridge. Are you all done? Sissy's turn?
Let me push Sissy. Let me push Sissy.
You're gonna push Sissy?
I am a push Sissy. Lay down. I am.
Okay, we're gonna show you one way. So we have boiled eggs here. And this is how we crack our eggs.
Ow!
Let's see it, Sophia. Good job.
Papers, this one's the hardest one to crack.
Some of the shells are harder than others, so you kind of
And
gotta
this
know your
one,
shell.
One time my sister cracked one of these ones. I tried it, and it hurt me. So I gave it to so I put it back in the egg carton.
Did you crack it?
No.
It didn't crack.
And my sister grabbed the same one I tried to crack. She took it and banged it against her, and she won.
She did it, huh? She just went for it.
I'm a bit more cautious.
Maybe we should do this over the trash can. Oh, you like my placemats? I know. I'm a little crazy chicken with the chickens. Here's our garden area. A friend of ours is gonna help us out, tilling the ground and all that, spreading out. That's our big manure pile in the middle there. Now that's beautiful. Came back to the chicken coop, check on Mima's egg. Okay, so it's later that same day, and remember we saw Mima go into this one in the far nesting box. So we're gonna open it and we'll see if there's an egg in here. There it is. There's her egg. See how it's this olive green color? And look, somebody else laid an egg. That's exciting. And that's it for today. So let's check these out in the sunshine. It's a little too sunny. We'll go over here. Isn't that cool? I don't know. I just think it's the coolest thing. Boom. Breakfast out of a chicken. Super cool. Watson. What's up, boy? What's up? Let's see if he'll do a trick. Watson, sit. So apparently Teddy thinks that this is our pantry, which I always need something to step on. And that box has the things I need, and it is super heavy. So it's a little dangerous to get to. Needless to say, dinner won't be ready on time. Trying to make this, and Teddy's trying to hide all the ingredients up in the rafters. We'll see how this goes. So Teddy comes home and he says, "Why do you look so fancy?" Because I'm wearing makeup for once in my life. And I'm like, because I'm a YouTuber, obviously. You like your soup?
Mm-hmm.
Is it tasty? Mm-hmm. Great success. Laddie, you ain't getting none.